friends, I found another good dinosaur book. This is a book called Dinosaur Dig. And in this book, it's another information book. We're going to learn what scientists do when they go to look for dinosaur bones. I wanted to show you who's listening to our story. Can you see Dazzy? She's cleaning her feet while Mrs. Hoffman reads. Okay, this is called Dinosaur Dig. So, just like the other book, there are some words in here. Here's the table of contents. There's also some words from the story that we should know. This is called a word hunt. Look for these words as you read. They will be in bold. That means they'll be a little bit bigger. A paleontologist is someone who learns about dinosaurs, a scientist that learns about dinosaurs. These are chisels. These are a tool that scientists use to chisel away the pieces of rock so they can find dinosaur bones. Plaster is something else that they use to help them protect the dinosaur bones. This word is dinosaur. Rock hammers are another tool that scientists use. This is a skeleton of a dinosaur, and here are some fossils. So we're going to look for those words while we're reading. Where are we going? We packed our clothes, we packed our maps and our cameras. We have hammers and paintbrushes. We even have dentist tools. Where are we going? We're going on a dinosaur dig. So, on a dinosaur dig, people search for dinosaur bones. And these people were searching in a place called Canada. That's far away from us. It's not in the United States. They were searching in a place called Canada for dinosaur bones. We drive to a dig site. It is a place where paleontologists have found many dinosaur bone fossils. Fossils are the remains of living things from millions of years ago. Paleontologists are the people who study fossils. This dinosaur skull was found at Dinosaur National Monument in Utah. This is in Utah. That's where this dinosaur skull was found. So if you ever go to Dinosaur National Monument, you will see lots of dinosaur bones. We see some huge bones buried in rock. What kind of bones do you think they are? First, we take pictures of our discovery. Then we get our rock hammers and start chipping at the rock. Soon, the bones break free. So do you remember we talked about the rock hammer? And then a paleontologist uses a rock hammer to dig out a fossil. The bones are a mess. Chunks of rock are stuck to them. We use hammers and chisels to knock off the big chunks. Dentist tools remove the little chunks. Paint brushes clean off the dirt. So these are all the tools that they have to use to carefully move the rocks and the dirt away from the bones. These tools were used to dig up and clean the dinosaur bones in the paleontologist's hand. Those are the tools he used. Some fossil bones break easily. We must protect them. First, we wrap the bones in foil or wet paper towels. Next, we mix a paste that hardens, and when it dries, it's called plaster. Then we cover the bones with strips of cloth soaked in plaster. The plaster dries with the bones safely inside. Workers wrap cloth strips soaked in plaster around a large dinosaur bone. You see that big dinosaur bone? On our dig, we find hundreds of bones. We put the little ones in boxes. We coat the big ones with plaster. We carefully pack everything and return home. Then we will have more work to do. Drawing maps of where the bones are found helps us identify the bones and put them back together. So do you see how he's using his paper, and he put, looks like wood with some string, and he's making a picture of where he found the bones. We cut away the plaster and we clean the bones. Do you think we can put all these bones together? It's not easy, but we begin building a skeleton. We use wires and rods to hold everything in place. The job takes months, but at last we have a dinosaur. And the workers, look, they have to use a machine that lifts them high enough so they can put all of the dinosaur bones together. So, these are some pictures of different parts of dinosaur bones. That was interesting to learn what scientists do when they find dinosaur bones. I hope you liked it.